Today's video, I'm going to review one of the staple in Indonesian food, Nasi Bungkus. Yes. Ooh, yeah, baby. Oh yes, baby. It's delicious. Oh, oh yeah. Ugh. I'm sorry. It's perfect. That is perfect. Alright folks, welcome back to PGS Indonesia official, and now we are having a new segment which is called Eat the Media. But before we are going to continue this video, I would like to say stay healthy, take care of your health, take care of your body, keep away from COVID-19, and we wish we could get this away soon so that we can move around, eat more, and you know what? Street food always be the best one. And now, today's video, I'm going to review one of the staple in Indonesian food, not only in Medan but in anywhere region in Indonesia, which is called Nasi Bungkus. Yes, that's right, baby. This is Nasi Bungkus. You know what? This is one of my most favorite dishes in Indonesia. Not Indonesia, I mean, you can buy it anywhere, you can find it anywhere, from the lowest price or the highest price. Now, I'm not gonna to review this one by one. I will tell you each part of the history of Nasi Bungkus, or you can say packaged rice in English. Yes, that's right. Now, we're going to open this one. Ooh, yeah, baby. That's right. You can see this. Oh my God. This looks perfect to me. Now, I'm going to tell you what inside in this Nasi Bungkus. Also, we have rice, and here we have cassava leaves, the boiled one, and the main ingredient, the main stage, the beautiful beef rendang. Yes, you know what? This is a must dish, a must ingredient, not only in Indonesian food but in Nasi Bungkus. This is absolutely perfect for me. Now, before we eat, we have to pray first. Okay, let's pray. Amen. Okay guys, let's dig in. Yeah. In Nasi Bungkus, you can always have many variation of menu like fish, chicken, duck, or eggs, but this rendang is a must. You must get this. You must have this at least once in your lifetime. Now, I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna be so special. This, all right? Now, let's eat. Oh yes, baby. Yeah. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, babe. It is awesome. You know why this is so special? I wouldn't even tell why it's so special, because there are so many secrets behind this beef rendang. For cooking this one, it almost took about 6 or 5 hours, 4 hours minimum. So the beef itself is so succulent, tender, and yet this is delicious. Oh, thank God. And don't forget the sambal. Yes, Indonesians love sambal very much. Why? Because we couldn't eat. We couldn't just eat without sambal or anything like that. We must add sambal in every single our dishes. Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. For this beef rendang, man, you gotta try, man. You have to try this. This is really special. You know, for the main ingredient for beef rendang, people say it's really hard. It's really hard to make it, but the secret key to make perfect rendang is the timing, the patience. Because the ingredients are simple. You only need like chilies, coconut milk, galangal, ginger salads, garlic, spices, that's all. But you have to master the timing and the patience. For us, as Indonesian, rendang is one of the most staple food that we actually eat, not only in single day or daily, but in special occasion. Oh, oh. You can find this in every single place in Indonesia. And fun fact, in 2011, CNN declared this is #1 food in world's 50 most delicious food in the world. Can you imagine? #1 food, baby. Oh my god. Minang people, you must be proud. And you are proud. Because this is it's not our legacy. This is our identity in food. Now we will add this one, and this, you grab this, you put the sambal in. By the way, this rice is so fluffy. I don't know where they buy this, but this home cook will always be the best, will always be the winner in every single our heart. Cheers. Oh. Oh god. It's perfect. That is perfect. Oh. You know what? Bellissimo. Bravo. Bravo. Wow. I don't know in the hell why this is so good. If you don't like beef, we also have chicken rendang, egg rendang, duck rendang, and anything you can find, anything you can eat, it can be a rendang. But the beef rendang is the most delicious one. So for you vegan, I'm so sorry to tell you, this is your enemy. Yet this is our most delicious food in the world. You should be ashamed, and I feel sorry for you. Sorry guys. Oh yeah. Nasi bungkus will be always our main food because you can buy it in any single one. I'm sorry. This is too good for me. This is too good for me. I have to check myself. I have to check myself. This is too good for me. It's so hard to talk when you're eating instead of good eating. Because why? You will not find any words in your mind, you will not find any words in your brain. You're just thinking food, 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 and food. Food, good soul. Remember that. You can create good soul with good food. Yeah. That's perfect, baby. Some people don't like this vegetable, but I don't care. I like it. It's so good with nasi bungkus. It's so good with the rendang. It's so good with the sambal. So a little bit vegan. It's all good. This home cooked is the best way to have nasi bungkus. Now, let me finish this first, and we'll talk about later. Oh yeah. Freaking delicious, man. It's so good. Oh, it's so freaking good. I wish I could eat this every single day in my life, but you know, too much cholesterol is not good for you. But cholesterol is always good. Food without cholesterol means bad food. Perfection beyond balance. Oh my god, I'm so full. Yeah, I'm sorry guys. You know what, this is too perfect for me. Nasi bungkus always perfect. It always be. Now I'm done. I'm so full right now. I'm going to take a nap for about at least 1 hour or 2 hours, just in case to release this food out. But before I'm going to end this video, I will remind you all, stay healthy, stay safe, and I'm sorry guys. Oh my god. Oh, it starts attacking you from any side. Stay away from COVID-19. Stay away from the crowd. You know what? From this pandemic, we cannot go out. We cannot go out anywhere. We cannot eat outside. And I really miss street food so much. So we hope so. We wish that this pandemic will end soon. So I think this is for our first video in this segment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Stay healthy, stay safe, and remember, keep hungry, my friend. See you.